Hello guys, welcome back to my channel in the tropical plants and cooking. We're here at the backyard, and as you can see, we got lots of apples over here. This is the organic apples, one tree, and then there's three variety in this apple tree. So I'm going to show you quick. Look at a bunch of apples, guys. This is the green apples. This is the Macintosh variety. And I think this side and to that side is Granny Smith apples. There's a lot on the top, guys, but some of the leaves are dry, so I don't know what's going on. Beautiful and healthy apples. The bottom, guys, and some of them are falling down from the trees. So I collect a lot yesterday and I give it to the squirrels. And then we're going inside the garden. I'll show you the update of the onions, potatoes, and some other vegetables. So this is the potatoes now. All of them are flowering already. So maybe we're gonna wait another a month and a half and then we will harvest this. And of course the onions. Look at the bulbs, guys. Once this leaves, or what you call that, is already dry, we will harvest it. So maybe in end of August. So there. This is three kind of onions: red, yellow, and white onions. This is the white onions, guys. That one's red. Some red over here too. And look what's the big one. Here. There. And look at our romaine lettuce. I harvested two lettuces yesterday, and we made a beautiful and healthy salad. And here's another baby bok choy that my husband planted a couple of weeks ago. She's already big. It's Shanghai cabbage. It's growing. We will wait for another week. This is my chayote. I have to trim it or prune it so that it'll grow flowers. It's up to here. Here. My husband white cucumber. No, no, there's cucumber already, I think so. Our peppers. This is green peppers. And this is jalapeno. Lots of banana peppers. Another week I'm gonna harvest all of it. English cucumber is here. There's a lot of English cucumber. There's another big one there. And the okra is doing great. So we have to wait for the okra. This year the okra is a little bit late. And here is the eggplant. There's a lot of baby eggplant now. And some flowers. And here's my husband corn. We got like 11 or 12 corn already. So we're happy to eat that soon. And then here is the tomato. This is the beef steak tomato, I think. Oh no, not this one. This is like cherry, but a little bit bigger than cherry tomatoes. This is Romano tomato. There's a lot of tomatoes already, guys, as you can see. Another Romano tomato, and that's the beef steak over there. And here's my beans. Long beans and the broccoli. Oh, there's some broccoli now. I love it, guys. There's broccoli already there. I see. I'm so happy. There's some more there, but something's not right there. There's like like some bugs are eating it. That's okay. There's some more over here that's coming. Yay! I am happy. Then that's my bitter melon. There's flower already. See there? And then the snow peas, of course. Snow peas. And of course, this is another garden from here to there. That's mostly herbs like mint, parsley, um, my lemongrass, another potatoes and kale, and some cilantro over there. Yeah, and then I got my sweet potato plants there. So that's all for now, guys. And I hope you enjoyed the quick update of our organic gardening. Organic vegetables is always the best. Happy planting and gardening.